Bart hatched a bird's egg for a few days, and two lizards came out of it. A few days ago, Bart shot a baby bird with a gun. To atone for his sins, he incubated the eggs with his own body. Bart then brought the eggs home. The Simpsons were thrilled to see the eggshells hatching. Homer was so curious, he touched it. After some inquiries, the principal said the animal was a nuisance. At this point, Bart grabbed the birds and said no one was to harm them, but the principal said they were a nuisance and had to be gotten rid of. Then Marge and Bart went out into the hallway. Bart said he didn't want to lose them. Marge was distraught.
Run for it. Really?
And then Marge blocked the doorway. But Bart chose the wrong way. He went to the rooftop. There was no way out. Then the principal and Bart fought over the carton. And that's when it happened.
Oh no! You killed him!
Good riddance to mad lizards.
But the lizards glided through the air, and they got away. The principal was furious. Soon after, the TV station reported the flooding of Tree Creek. The pigeons and sparrows were destroyed. The mayor called a meeting and gave Bart an award for his contribution.